if a car like this that's done like 200,000 Ks or 160,000 Ks or whatever it is, that suspension, if it's original, has been in there for 20 years or longer. And when these cars come out, people are always raving about how good the handling is. And then a lot of people will buy them and go, the handling sucks, then put coilovers in and go, yeah, the handling's now amazing. These things wear out. And you can go back to basically to how the car was supposed to be the day it was new by putting new factory replacement shocks in, which is my preference because, you know, the engineers that make the car probably have a pretty good idea about how to make it handle. So there's that, but also I'm going to be adding slightly lowering springs, so I'm probably throwing all that out the window. Either way, by putting in a brand new shock absorber, and this is pretty much exactly what would have come from the factory, except it's brand new.